everyone, it is me, Ahmed, and today we are unboxing this Hot Wheels Porsche 911 GT3 with red and black stripe from HW Exotics 210 with 177 out of 250. Exotic supercars always ready to race. There's a Porsche trademark. Okay, let's unbox this car. The code says S12, that's the code. Okay, let's review this. Front, we have no detail. Driver side, rear with spoiler, and passenger side, and the roof. And that is cool, and that is a good looking car. Okay, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.